Okay, this is a very short video on how to remove this applique, they call it, which is this piece right here on a 2017 Chevy Bolt. There are, sorry, this is for the camera work. There are 4 8mm nuts that go along the back, and then near the camera there are 2 plastic clips, and those are really hard to get out. I was able to squeeze it from the inside with a pair of pliers and push, and then grab it here and pull on it and able to get it out. It seems like, and also you need to be careful because there's like glass here, so you don't want to be prying against that. I was like really afraid I was going to break something. At any rate, then to get this camera out, there are 3 wires. There's a vacuum hose here, there's this connector here, and then I think the other one is here, and I've got to figure out how to get that out. And this goes through, you can see there's a hole back there. That's where these wires go through into the inside of the car, and there's a rubber grommet that fits into that hole. So honestly, this was a pain in the neck, and there were no instructions anywhere. Don't do what I did. Don't pull on this, because that's the rubber gasket that covers the latch button. I'll have to figure out how to glue that back in. And this is, I guess, how you also do something with these license plate lights, but they don't really look to be pretty serviceable. Maybe they're LEDs and they'll last forever. At any rate, thank you. It was impossible to find anything on this. So getting this connector off was extremely hard. I had to use pliers, needle nose pliers, to pull this back further than it went. And then I was able to wiggle it out, but it was really stuck in there. I don't know if there's some other procedure for doing this, but man, that was a pain in the neck. I think that this piece here comes up, not down, or maybe it's down. Yeah, this is what it does. So then you push down on this, which separates. See how that opens that up? I think that's how it works to get it out. So you pull back the red tab here fully, and then you push down on this hard, I guess, and then wiggle it out. But man, that was a pain in the neck. So this is what I was trying to fix. The camera on the left is foggy, and I think what happened was that moisture got in there and condensed, and that's causing the fogginess. Anyway, I suppose maybe there would be some way to dry it out. I don't know. I bought a used one off of eBay, and we'll install it. Hopefully it'll work. So time to test. I put in the new camera, and so boom, we're working. The rear view mirror camera is now working again, and the backup camera is working. It was working before, but now both are working, so happy with that.